Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to understand about what is Terraform modules and then also what all demos we are going to implement as part of Terraform modules section. Okay. So first thing is modules are containers for multiple resources that are used together. So a module consists of a collection of TF files kept together in a directory. Okay. So that's a high level definition, but let's see in detail what exactly it means, right? So modules are the main way to package and reuse resource configurations with Terraform. Okay, example, if you take a EC2 resource, so this EC2 resource related all settings whatever you want to use as per your organization standards, so that one you can package it as per your need and then create a module and then start calling that module in your root module. Okay, so let's see what exactly is it. So every Terraform configuration has at least one module known as its root module. So far from section 1 to now, whatever you are seeing in the Terraform working directory is called the root module, and from there you can call the child modules. Okay, so a Terraform module, usually the root module of a configuration, can call other modules to include their resources into the configuration. Okay, so always whatever you see in your working directory, whatever the small configuration you write, also it is going to be the root module, and a module that has been called by another module is often referred to as a child module. So whatever you are calling from root module, that respective module is called child module, and child modules can be called multiple times within the same configuration, and multiple configuration can use the same child module. So this is one important thing. And in addition to modules from the local file system, Terraform can load modules from public or private registries. Okay, so let's see more about that. So this makes it possible to publish modules for others to use, and to use modules the others have published. Okay, so it's open source and anyone can create a module and then publish it in the public repository, and then we can use it. So it is more flexible for us to use in the open world. So now Terraform registry also contains the publicly available modules. So we know that Terraform registry will have the providers. Okay, now we are also discussing about modules are also going to be contained in the Terraform registry. Okay, so the Terraform registry hosts a broad collection of publicly available Terraform modules for configuring many kinds of common infrastructure. So if you go here to the browser, and if you go here and then search for Terraform registry, right, so you will find something here called providers first. Okay, in addition to that, you can see you can browse the modules. So 862 providers are there, and then 5342 modules and then counting. So you have 5342 available modules in Terraform public registry which you can reuse. So there are two ways to reuse it. One is you can download that module and then make changes and then use it as per your organization, or directly call it and then start using it. Okay, and you can see this is a simple VPC module which has been downloaded for 7.9 million times. In the way security group module 6.8 million times. So you are understanding the how the usage of these modules, how people are using with Terraform. Okay, so now let's go back to our slides here, and these modules are free to use, and Terraform means Terraform CLI or Terraform Cloud, whatever it is, can download them automatically if you specify the appropriate source and version of the module. So every module will have its own source. Okay, so from where it need to download. Okay, so this is the source, Terraform AWS modules VPC AWS, and this is the version. So from where you want to download this source and then version information, if you provide and then define the module with module VPC, then automatically you can download that module and then start using it. In addition to that, we are going to see this Terraform registry publicly available one module we are going to download and then use in our demo 1. Okay, and then there will be something called private module registry in Terraform Cloud and then Enterprise. Okay, so this is for our organization related private modules which we can create and then publish in our respective Terraform Cloud directories. Okay, So members of your organization might produce modules specifically crafted for your own infrastructure needs. Okay, so those things can be means like Terraform Cloud and Terraform Enterprise both include a private module registry for sharing modules internally within your organization. So as part of demo 2, we are going to look into first building a local module. Okay, so we'll see what are those things. Okay, so we have said here this whole thing is going to be done in demo 2 and 3. Okay, in demo 2, in this respective Terraform modules section, we are going to build a local module. Okay, and in the next bigger section of Terraform Cloud, so you are going to use that private registry, means like you are going to use that local module and then publish it in the private registry on the Terraform Cloud and then call it from your root module. So all those things you are going to do it in your next 3 to 4 sections. Okay, so with that said, this is the module demo 1, wherein in the root module configurations you are calling a EC2 instance module and then providing the version and required attributes for calling that EC2 instance module. This is a high level reference, but when we are implementing it, you will come to know in detail. And next thing is demo 2. So as part of this demo 2, you are going to implement, means like you are going to create a custom module here for hosting a static website, and then you are going to call that from your root module. Okay, again, this one you are not going to directly do. This is the v3 version you are seeing here, right? So let's see what does that mean. Okay, so what you will do here is, first thing is you will create a static website on S3 using AWS Management Console, and then write down your steps. What are those? And then next what you will do is you will go ahead and then automate that using Terraform as a root module first. Okay, and next in v3 you will convert this root module into child module and call it from the another root module. Okay, so you will convert this root module, whatever you have created for creating a S3 static website, into a child module, or you can call it as a reusable module, and then you will call it from the any of the root modules and then test it. So all those things you are going to do as part of this section. So you can see lot of work you are going to do and then create configuration files as part of this section with practical examples. And as usual, you are going to have the step-by-step documentation for same things. And for these 2 sections, it is going to take close to 1.5 hours to master this entire thing on the Udemy. Okay, so this completes the introductory part of Terraform modules. In our next lecture, we'll focus on learning about the Terraform module basics by calling the module from the Terraform public registry. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.